Good morning to all of you. We are going to start important sums. In sum number 1, find the volume of a cylinder if height and radius is given. How to find? We are having value of R is 14 centimeter and it is given height is 36 centimeter. How to find volume of a cylinder? To find volume of a cylinder we are having formula. The formula is pi r square h. Insert all the values in the formula. Value of pi, then value of r is 14. 14 into 14. Then the value of height h, that is 36 centimeter. Now calculate 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. Then no other cancelling, all the numbers you have to into, it will become 22176 centimeters. It is the volume of a cylinder. So you have to keep in mind only the formula, how to find volume of a cylinder. That is the formula. This formula you have to keep in mind and you can find volume. Same way you can find CSA. How to find CSA? If in the same sum you have to find CSA of a cylinder. Curved surface area of a cylinder, CSA. How you will find it? The formula is 2 pi r h. It is the formula to find CSA of a cylinder. 2 will remain same. Value of pi we know only 22 by 7. Value of r is 14. And the value of h is given 36. Start cancelling. 7 1 is 7, 7 2s are 14. Afterwards into, it will become 44 into 72. This is answer. 3168 centimeter square. So it is the CSA of a cylinder. Same way you can find one more thing also, that is total surface area of a cylinder. How to find total surface area? Total surface area. The formula is 2 pi rh plus 2 pi r square. It is the formula to find total surface area of a cylinder. Insert all the values again. 2 will remain same. Value of pi is 22 by 7. R is 7. H is given 36. Plus 2. Pi is given 22 by 7. R is given 7 into 7. Cancelling 7 with 7 cancelled. R is given 14 here, so here 14, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14. After solving it will become 3168 only. Solve it, 7 is 7 cancelled. 154 2s are 308. Add it, you will get the answer. 3168 plus 308. Centimeter square. It is the total surface area of a cylinder. So I hope you got the topic. Now second sum. Volume of a cylinder is given 5346 centimeter cube, and we are having radius and height are in the ratio. Find the radius and height. How you will solve it? Here you have to suppose. At first you can suppose here radius, it is given, so you can suppose it. Same way you can suppose height, it will become 7x because here it is given 7. Height you can suppose 7x. After that we are having volume of a cylinder. Volume is already given, volume of cylinder 5346. After that you have to insert the formula of volume of cylinder. Pi r square h equals to 5346. After that you have to insert values. Pi 22 by 7, r is given how much? 3x into 3x, h is given 7x equals to 5346. 7 with 7 cancelled into x into x into x, x cube, 5346. Now can you find the value of x? X cube will be what? 5346 upon 198. It is going on which table? It is going on it is going on table of 11. 11 1 is 11, 8 left, 11 8s are 88, 11 4s are 44, 9 left, 9, 11 8s are 88, 6 11 6 are. Now it is going on 18, 18 1 is 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 7s are 126. So we got 27 value of x cube. How to find x? X will be cube root of 27. 3 into 3 into 3. Cube root of this. How to find? Out of these we have to take only one, 3. So we got the value of x is 3. So now we have to insert the values here. Radius will be 3 into 3 means 9 centimeter. Same way you can find height. Height will be 7 into 3, that will be 21 centimeter. So in this way we can find radius and height. So third sum we are having find the subsets of a set. How to find it? Subsets. Subsets are, कैसे find करने subset? At first start from empty set. At first we write only empty set, then only 1, then only 2, then only 3. We got 4 subsets. Now this also can be possible 1 2, and it is also possible now this number 2 and 3, and one more is there. It is the same set only 1 2 3. So these are the subsets of a set. Suppose you are finding of fourth sum I am taking. Suppose you are having 5 6. You have to find the subsets of it. How to find? Subsets are, you will write subsets are. At first you have to write the empty set, then only 5, only 6. After you have to write the same set also, 5 and 6. So these are the subsets of this set. So now we are having one more important sum. How to solve it? R is given apple. Apple we have to write in roster form. How to write it? R equals to, at first we will write A, then we will write P, comma P. Again here it is coming P, so only P we will write. Afterwards L, then E. Over same way we have to write tail, S. From here P will come, then A will come, then L will come, then again E will come. What they are asking, find the cardinal number of the set. How to find cardinal number? Cardinal number means how many elements are there in the set. How many elements are there in the set? इसका हमने फाइंड करना है कार्डिनल नंबर. एन आर, हाउ मेनी elements are there? 1 2 3 4. 4. Same way you can find of it. 1 2 3 4. Here also 4. Then they are asking, are R and S equivalent sets? Yeah, they are equivalent sets because these both are same. But you write R and S are equivalent sets. Equivalent sets because cardinal number is same. Because cardinal number is same. Cardinal number of both the sets are same. Afterwards they are asking, R and S equal sets. Equal means if the elements are same. Suppose here is A and here is also A, here P, here also P, here it is L, here also L, here E, here also E. So these are equal also. What to write? Yes, R and S equal sets also.